zoomlion 50-ton truck crane, 4 booms with jeep, and 5 outrigger. Let's get a close view. This is a new model, 50-ton hook and a speed hook here. This is guide wheels, guide axles, original lever, fuel tank, drive axle. Let's check inside the operation cabin. Joystick, very good condition. You can see everything is our original shape. Very neat condition. We still have the insurance and the documents here. Let's check the other side. Inside the cabin, almost new. I should say 90% new. Let's check the lever. Speed forward and 2-speed reverse. Let's have a look of it. Let's go to check the other side. Zoomlion. This is a Jeep. This is a single jack. This is a single jack. This is the lever off of the other side. Hydraulic oil tank. 50-ton zoomlion, 5 boom, 5 outrigger, truck crane.